HDA Model Works makes 2 sets of window masks for the K7 space station, and I messed them both up. What's up, Plastic Addicts? Here's a look at the small rectangular windows to mimic the Greg Jein model, and the standard set, which is designed to fit into the existing molding on the kit supplied parts. And that's a look at how they go on right there, not much to say. And take a look at that. Though it came off fairly well, but I put the paint on too heavy. So what happened is I got very inconsistent results when it came to removing the windows. They're mostly good, but I had to decide if I'm going to try to touch it up or if I'm going to strip it and do it again, which is the much longer process. I'm not sure yet. Given what happened with the rectangular windows, I made a few changes on this. Did my regular application, but I changed my primers and went much lighter on everything, and it kind of bit me in the ass. Now these come off fairly well, but what happened is the primer didn't properly bond to the piece, so I got all this paint pulling. So this one definitely has to be stripped and redone. The other one, like I said, I'm still debating on what to do with that. All that to say, this is definitely builder error, not product error. I've used these this type of mask before. They're very, very good. I just got to decide what I'm going to do and how to fix it. Now, my understanding is these are going to be available from HDA Model Works in a few weeks with the grain silo and the shuttle bay, so be sure to keep an eye out for those.